Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you've seen some of my videos before, you know I love those galaxy star projector things, and this one here, I just couldn't resist because it is so cool. This one here's an astronaut one. It's called the Astronaut Starry Sky Projector, and I'm not exactly sure who it's from. I can't read that one there, but we're gonna open this up and check it out. And I'm gonna put a link to it in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. And be sure to like my video, subscribe to my channel. But this is what it looks like in the box here, upside down clearly. And let's open it up and see what we got. Oh, this is the guy. And then we have a cable for it, a remote control, a base, and a user manual. So I'm gonna back this up a little bit here so you guys can watch me put it together. So let's see. Boy, this is a tough one to do. Okay, there. Okay, so now you can see it better. So this is what it looks like here. Hopefully it's not broken. It looks detached. Sorry, these are not my things. Okay, so this clearly is, how does the head go on there? Oh, like this. Oh, it magnetizes on. Those are magnets on there, magnetizes on, and I guess these are the wires to make it go. And I guess that's gonna be the laser projector and stuff like that. Please remove protective film before use. So we're gonna remove that. And so this is what he looks like, and this is what he looks like on the base. Pretty sweet. Okay, so now we're gonna have to plug this guy in. I don't have a USB thingy. So this is with a plug, so this obviously plugs into the guy, and this plugs into the wall, but I need a USB nugget. Let me go find one. Okay, and now let's see what the remote, it probably needs batteries too, huh? Needs AAA batteries, which it did not come with. Let's go check out and see if we have some of those. Okay, I'm back. So let's see what we got here. So we have some batteries. I'm so excited. Okay, so there, we got AAA batteries in there. And, oh, there's the light. Oh, wow, I see stars. Okay, let's see how we're gonna do this. I'm gonna turn off the lights here and turn it around. Ooh, stars everywhere. Okay, so now I'm gonna point you guys this way. So you've seen what he looks like, and now you get to see what the stars look like. So you saw there were stars everywhere. You see all the stars, all the little stars everywhere? So there's that, and I can choose the nebula, nebula colors, and the stars. Oh, I guess different stars. I guess it's different, S minus and S plus. I'm not sure what those mean. They might be changing colors. I don't know, I'm colorblind, but that's so cool. So it's the super cool dude. I mean, look at this. He is so cool, and he even looks cool doing that. So this is so sweet. So I don't know, I mean, check it out. If I go this way, pointed at me. So there, I got nebulas and stars going on me. Ooh, and you can aim it. So you can aim the way he looks. Points to where the stars are gonna show up. So if I go up, then it's right in my face. If I go down, it can point down, depending on where he is. If he's up on a counter or whatever, you can point him up or down. This is so cool. So I'm gonna say this is the super coolest thing. I love it. It's way better than the other ones. Look at that. I could take his head off while I'm doing it. So definitely a thumbs up from me. And I'm gonna put a link to him in the description. So be sure and pick one of these up because this is the coolest thing ever. Link in the description, thumbs up from me. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Oh God, this is cool. Can't wait for everybody to get home and see it. Okay, bye.